Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another fantastic day on planet Earth. We're in rural Thailand. This is proper Thailand. This is the Thailand I came to see. They got a garage with petrol. I'm going to see Mr. David Hodgson. He's been in contact with me over many months. And over many months I've been promising to come and see him. And now I'm in Sakon Nakhon, which is a long way north. And it's 10:45 in the morning and 26 degrees. I mean, I don't mind 35 degrees. I've acclimatised to it now, but this is more like a British summer sort of weather. The humidity is incredibly low. This is what I imagined Thailand to look like. This, if I judge this right, please don't. Oh my god, I'm cringe every time. Could be a lot of iron. Is it iron in the grounds? It does seem quite irony, or look quite irony around here. This is getting really rural now. I need a gravel track. Can we have a gravel track to make it proper? I've got me gravel road! Oh god, that's bad. Oh shit. David, I know you're going to be watching this. You're a top man, mate. Absolute top man. Pleasure to meet you. And he's an amateur radio bloke as well. So, yeah, it was an absolute pleasure to meet him. And his missus. Oh, she's so nice, so friendly, so welcoming, and so proper Thai woman. The sort of woman I like to meet, you know, and you like to talk to. And I love these roads. Apart from it feels a bit loose. How's he going that fast around that? Oh, it's a she. I'm being shown up by a woman. I need to find out how loose this gravel is, depending how fast I go. Hang on. Yeah, it's loose. David was telling me that the woman next door hasn't got a front door. She ain't got a back door. She's got. I said, why? So I don't know. Oh my god, a restaurant in the middle of nowhere. There's nothing here. I haven't seen civilization for 5 minutes, and there's a restaurant there. I've got a race here. Oh my god, I'm going alright! Oh, it's beautiful round here. Beautiful, proper Thailand. Look at that place. That's a house. That is someone's house. Look. There's 3 buffaloes. He's got 3. I want a field, right? I want about 12 rye. I don't know how many acres that is. About 1 million. I don't know. I want 12 rye. I'll have some rubber trees, because there's rubber trees. I want that, and I want a house in the middle, only big enough for 2 people, and I want a buffalo, male obviously, because they're the workhorse jobs, right? And I'm going to call it Daisy. What I'm going to do for Patreon, is that a natural waterfall that's dry? Yes it is, it's dry. We have got the dry season, but on the rainy season that would be full. I think for Patreon what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if I can upload the whole 360 video, and you can just pan around. I know you can do it, but I don't know how. Is this the reservoir? I did see when I put the Mavic in the air, I did see a reservoir. I ain't gonna go that way, and I reckon this is the reservoir. Right, back in a bit. Excuse the helmet hair and the sunburnt head. I had a bit of an accident. Well, not an accident. I was cleaning the bike the other day, and I spent a few hours outside, and I didn't realise the sun was so bloody powerful, and it's very powerful over here. It looks like it's the feed, the overload. I've got to climb these bloody stairs now. That's going to be painful, because I've got a bit of a painful leg. Oh look. There are bloody butterflies everywhere, look. I'm quite amazed. I'm quite amazed, to be honest, that Thailand has, like different seasons for different insects. Mosquitoes all year round. Flies, I haven't seen any recently. Look. Oh, you can get up here. I can hear no traffic. I can hear dogs in the distance barking. I can hear cicadas in the trees. I can hear an occasional cockerel who's a bit late because it's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. But this is what I came to see. I went to Chiang Mai, I went to Chiang Rai, I went all the way down the Mae On Song Loop. But it's highly publicised and people know about it, and I don't like highly publicised places. I came here for this. This makes me happy. I'm a few hundred kilometres away from the sea. But I don't miss the sea. I never went in the sea, and I never swam in the sea. I didn't really care about the sea. I don't really care about the publicity that it comes with and all the highly westernised sort of beliefs that they've got now that have migrated into the country, and I don't like that. I want Thailand to stay Thailand. And that's where I am. Me being me, yeah, I'm an antisocial git, and I'm a very private person. And it took me a lot of doing, a long time to actually appear on camera, believe it or not. And I used to hate it, and I'm alright with it now. I mean, it's in my comfort zone, but sticking my camera in somebody's face when they don't want it is a different matter. I couldn't do that because it's public privacy. It is something that should be respected. You go out to enjoy things, but you don't go out to have a camera stuffed in your face for the world to see. I don't know how to pronounce it. I don't know how you say it properly, but there's one type of food. I call it pakapau, or it's actually pad kapau or something like that. I don't know. But strangely, when I ask Thai people about it who aren't from the city, they haven't got a clue what I'm talking about. I found some last night. I went to a local market from where the hotel is that I'm stopping at, and they had some there for 40 baht with a fried egg on top of it. If I wanted that in the city, it cost me 110 baht. Down here, I'll put up here, it's 40 baht. And that's it. Look. I'm going to make a tuk-tuk. One of those electric. Yes, it's got to happen one day. Oh, imagine the power you could get on that. You're virtually unlimited. I think I'm going to find the route around the lake. I know you can get up here because there's a road. I think you go to the end. These places are unrestricted. Why are they restricted in the UK? Why can't you go and see these lakes? Why are they stopping you enjoying anything that you had in life? Just the slightest bit of enjoyment. I think, how can we mess that up for people so people can't enjoy it anymore? That, to me, seems like the whole purpose of being in the UK. Of the government and everything that they're doing. You know, it was things like flying quadcopters. I used to enjoy it. I used to enjoy ripping around, but now it's socially unaccepted, and they're trying to stop it. In fact, they are stopping it. They're putting more and more rules into place. Now, the reason why is because they need to generate jobs, and if something worked perfectly, then there wouldn't be a job for anybody to be in, really. Apart from the enforcement people. I can see cows coming down the road. We better move. This is a cow track. I don't even know what it's called. I'll catch you later. I'm loving this place. I love it. I'm loving everything about it. It could end badly. It could end badly. Hopefully not. Come on, momentum traction. Yes. Oh, look, it's just beautiful. This is a gravel road and it's smooth as silk. I don't want to go down there because that's where I walked, so I'm going to have to go back down the way I came. Because there's no other way out. How did that woman get there? I have made a managerial decision. I've spoken to my travel advisor, and my travel advisor has said that I need to go back down the way I came. I can't go down there because there's too many ruts. It's not bad. No, it's not bad. Oh shit, it's bad. It is bad. I've just bottomed out then. It's fine. Am I going to make a really bad mistake here? Oh, oh, hey up, hey up, hey up, hey up. This is bad. This is, oh my god. I'm riding with the cows. Right, you go that side. I want to go around you. I want to go around you. Don't, no, 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 no. I need to go around you. There you go. You see how naturally beautiful all the buildings are and all the landscape when you get out of the bloody city. You're just surrounded even more by nature, and it's incredibly calming and it's incredibly beautiful to be around here. To be able to live here is just it's an absolute dream. I don't know if it's just me, but I find it absolutely beautiful around here because there's nothing. It's unspoilt. Apart from these roads, you know, okay, they might have been, they're laid for convenience, so as the locals can actually get somewhere and do some things. As it was, if it was just that gravel track, which it would have been a few years ago or however long ago, then it would have been an absolute nightmare trying to get stuff to market, trying to get stuff in and out, supplies. So it's pretty much a necessity. But some of these houses round here, they're only wooden houses, but they can be made absolutely stunning inside. I would have thought that these are actually floodplains as well, because there's rice fields and everything around it. So how it fares up when it rains, I really don't know. And whether you can get up and down this road, I really don't know. But this road does look a bit brown, which leads me to believe that it does flood. Thank you. You know, there's a lot of people who'd find that as abusive, but it's not. I mean, it's not meant. It's a tradition that they have to go through. They have to do it, and I find it. Well, you don't want it all day, every day. Oh, cockle. Thank you. I've got to soak in wet everything, to be honest. We'll go back in and I can give you a guided tour of my room. Look at all these, look. They're immaculate. They've only just been redone by the looks of it. Got new windows, no doors, they've all been painted. New front floor thing, all the railings have been painted. And they are absolutely immaculate. We have a TV, a mirror, a door with a location thing on in case you forget where you are. A chair, a table, a fridge, a beautiful king size bed with nice lighting. Aircon that you don't need here, believe it or not. It's bloody, you know, it's 30 something degrees outside and it's cool in here. A fridge, as I've just said, and another fridge there in the same place as the other one. And then in toilet, you've got a toilet, you've got a sink and a shower, and the shower is perfect. Everything about it. You get shampoo and hair dye, no, hair wash, what's it called? Shampoo, that was it, and shower gel. I meant shower gel and shampoo, not shampoo and something or other. And somewhere to hang clothes, and they give you 2 coat hangers. Curtains, if you want curtains. I paid £8 a night. Did I? Yes, £8 a night on a Goda. You even get a chair and table outside that you can sit at. That's a coffee place, but it's not open. It's not finished yet. I thought it would be open. I think there's a coffee, a temporary coffee thing the other side of this building, so they give the same thing, but it's not a restaurant. There's loads of restaurants up and down this street. So it's a beautiful place to be. Just generally, it's clean, it's tidy. What more can you want for £80 a night?